Hi everyone, it's Liz Danoon here again for your 10-minute tutor, and today's tutorial is A-16. So in the top right hand corner you should see A-16.
You'll find the worksheet for this video in the description below.
Now, so far we're learning about words and how to attack them, and we've learnt a few things already. So let me tell you, we have learnt that there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Those 26 letters have all sorts of sounds that they make. And each word begins with a sound. For example, A for ant. Then after that, we learnt that the word ant has 3 sounds to it, or 3 phonemes. So we've got A, N, T. Now today I'm going to teach you something else about words, something else that's going to help you learn to read them, something else that's going to help you learn to spell them. And this drum kit is going to give you a little bit of a clue. There is also a drum kit on the top of your sheet and a girl playing it. There is also a little baby with her hand under her chin, and she is there for a good reason too. So let's look at our first word on the top of our sheet. It's actually carpet. Put your hand under your chin like this and say carpet. Do it with me. Carpet. Did your chin move twice? I bet it did, because there are 2 beats to that word. So you can do it like this. You can say carpet. Carpet. Get it? Let's do the next one. Happen. Happen. 2 syllables. Happen. Next one. Dinner. Dinner. 2 syllables. Oh, I can't even do it now. Dinner. That's how you do it. Robber is the next word there. Robber. Puppet. Puppet. Can you hear it? It helps you know where to break the words. Pup, pet. Puppet. Next one is temper. 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 Chin drops. Temper. Twice. Next one is target. Target. 2. Farmer. That's your next word. The next word is person. Tell me if you can work it out. Person. Person. You know what? When you're sitting at your desk at school or your desk at work, you can actually tap on the edge of the desk to work it out. Person. You can use your hands under your chin. No one's going to know what you're doing. Person. You can hear the break. That really helps with spelling. Let's keep moving. Comet. Honey. Joker. Pilot. Can you hear they've all got 2 syllables? Even though they're longer words with 6 letters, they've got syllables. When you write poetry, you use syllables. When you write songs, you use syllables. And you even see in song sheets, where there's notes, that the words are broken up into syllables that go with notes. That's how songs are written. Let's keep going. We've got lazy. We've got pasta. I'm actually getting a bit hungry. It's nearly my dinner time. We've got orbit. Liquid. Funnel. Funnel web spider. Maybe a funnel that you might put some liquid into to put it into a bottle. Funnel. 2 drops of the chin. Funnel. That's why that little girl's there with her fingers under her chin. Unit. Let's try that one. Unit. And what about salad? Can you see salad there at the end? salad. Now, if you go down to the next box, you're going to see some longer words. And I'm not sure whether you can read those words, but they are actually words that you use all the time. And they're longer words. But did you know the wonderful thing about syllables? And that is, if you use syllables, long words very quickly become a series of short words. And you know what? Short words are easier to read and short words are easier to spell. So think of it like that. Syllables make long words seem like a series of short words. Let's look at that first word there. It's January. Let's put our hands under our chin and see how many syllables it's got. Jan-u-e-ry. 4. Do it again. It's tricky. Jan-u-e-ry. Let's try it with the drums. Jan-u-e-ry. Did you hear it? January. Let's keep going. February, similar. February is the second month of the year. Let's do this one. February. Do it again. February. There's 4. 4 syllables. Let's go March. Hand under your chin. March. There is only 1 syllable in March. 5-letter word with 1 syllable. March. March. It's just got 1. April. April. Can you hear the 2 sounds? The 2 parts of the word? Let's keep going. May. Just got 1 syllable. June. Just has 1 syllable. Let's try October. Actually, let's go on from June. Oh, sorry, I missed July. Let's try July. July. 2 syllables. August. 2 syllables. September. Can you guess? Put your hand under your chin and have a go. September. September. 3. Next one. October. October. 3. November. November. 3. What about December? December. 3. Now that's the months covered. Let's have a look at the days of the week. That's what's next on our list, because there's something that we need to use every day, every week, at school or at work. And again, you can break them down into syllables to make them easier. Look at this. Monday. Monday. Easier to spell? I bet it is. Let's try this one. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday, I only remember how to spell Wednesday because it does have this breakdown of syllables. It goes, when you say it, it goes Wednesday. Can you see I've broken it into 3 syllables there? It has 2. Wednesday. When you say it. But when you spell it, you go like this. Wed-ness-day. If you do it that way, you will never forget how to spell Wednesday. Do it with me again. It's wed-ness-day. Wednesday. Next one is Thursday. Not too tricky. Friday. Not too tricky either. Saturday. Saturday. That's 3. Saturday. And the last one is Sunday. Sunday. 2. Now, you've got 3 really good ways to look at words in a whole new light. We've had a look at the beginning sounds. We've had a look at the sounds that you can hear when you say words. And now we've had a go at looking at the beat and the rhythm within words, which helps you break them down into little words. So I hope that helps. Don't forget to tap on your desk. Don't forget to tap if you've got a drum kit. You might be a much better drummer than me. Have a go with that. That gives you a pretty good clue. So have a great day. I hope syllables helps you, and I'll be talking to you a lot more about those in the future. But this is just a start, remember? So have a great day. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Now you have watched A-16, your next video will be A-17. Would you like free access to level A and B of the 10-minute tutor? That's 40 more reading and spelling lessons. It's really, really simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Learn the alphabet sound song and make a video singing it. It can be you, your children, your class, or your friends. The more, the merrier. Step 2. Post it on your favourite social media platform with the hashtag #the10minutetutor. Step 3. Once it's posted, click the link in the description below this video, www.the10minutetutor.com/level B, and fill out the form. Once we get it, we will email you free access to all 56 tutorials in level A and B of the 10-minute tutor to really supercharge your reading and spelling skills.